everyone. This is Ranveer wishing all my brothers and sisters at the Vishwa Sindhi Seva Sangam all the very best for all your endeavors. Thank you for all your love and support, and I hope to continue this momentum and keep making you proud year after year. Jai Jhulelal. Jai Jhulelal. Jai Jhulelal.
Yeah, we say we Jai Jhulelal.
Jai Jhulelal.
दोस्तों next third international convention में Ranveer Singh will try definitely to be there with us,
I would love to be.
and I'm sure भाई गढ़ हलना से. Thank you.